So what's the main difference from the rebase and merge is that rebase behaves like merge, but it's not generating an extra commit for that. But the merge is actually merging two branches and creates commit for that. It's good when you are making a pull request to merge your branch with master. But if you want to make your development branch, or let's say your future branch, up to date with master branch, then you can use rebase to put your current commits in your future branch at the very top of the master branch. Okay, that will apply all changes from the master to your branch without making any extra merge commits. So let's say you created a new branch from the master and implemented your futures functionalities, created your commits, and created a new pull request that is ready to merge with master branch. But meanwhile, your other colleagues already merged their pull requests that made master branch updated. So what you will do at this point, you have to merge the master branch with your branch to make it up to date, right? That will create another commit which is merge commit. That's going to be merge commit. So basically each time you create a new branch, or your other colleagues have to merge master with their branch and then merge with master again. So that will create multiple merges, which will make the Git log very messed up, and it will be really difficult to track the development path of the project. So all these commits is going to be mixed. So to prevent this kind of flow, the rebase comes to hand, and you can use the rebase just to put your commits at the very top of the master branch. So basically it goes like that. Let's say these commits, the blue ones, is already in the master, and some of your colleagues already merged the pull requests, the yellow part. And you also have a new branch with new commits, with new two commits, with the red ones here. And you just want to merge it with the master. So what you have to do, instead of merging everything with your new branch and makes things messed up, you can rebase your current branch, this new branch, with master, which basically will take your commits and will put at the very top of the master commits, master branch commits. So it behaves like merge, but it's not actually creating a new commit for that, which makes the log very clean, to look very clean. So when we are using merge then, we can use merge when we are merging our PR with master. So at this particular time, then merging is important to state that, okay, we just merged our branch with master. But it will mess up everything if you want to make your branch up to date with master. So at this point, you have to use rebase. Okay, so it will not create any merge commits. It will just take your new commits and put it at the very top of the master branch, and that's it. If there are some conflicts, while rebasing, it will show you that please fix these commits, and then after you're fixed, you can continue rebasing, and there will be no any problem at this time. This is just theory. I just showed you the theory part. So let's put this knowledge into practice to make things even more clear and understand the flow entirely. So let me switch to VS Code, and here it is. So that project is Shopify migration. I highly recommend, if you didn't watch the previous videos, I did some migration. I migrated some data to Shopify by using the Shopify API. So highly recommend to watch that video as well if you're interested in e-commerce business. Okay, so anyway, so let's first check which branch we are currently. Okay, so we're in main branch, and now I just want to create a new branch from the main branch. Check out the, let's say, new future. Okay, so let's now check. Okay, so we're in our new branch, new future, and let's create another one. Git branch B. That's going to be our colleague branch. Let's say another new branch, or another new future. Actually, what just happened? Oh, I think it should be checkout, not branch. Git checkout be another new future. So in total, we have 3 branches now. The main, near future, and another near future. So the near future branch let's say it's our branch. We will add a new function to this branch and try to merge with main. And this another new future branch belongs to our colleague, which will also make some changes and try to merge with master. Okay. Um, so as we mentioned earlier, so while we are trying to merge our branch, the colleagues will already merge with the with master. So basically, we have to start from the current actively branch. So let's just make some changes here. Let's say we want to add new function, def another new function, and pass. Okay. So that's our change. That's the change that our colleague did. So I will just push this change to the current branch, another new future branch. Git add dash u to track the change, and then git commit. Actually, I'll create a new commit here. Let's say added another new future, like that. Oops, I forgot the option here. Okay, the message is added another new future. So if we type git log, we will see that our commit is now added to our git log. Okay, so quit. Let's now push this change. Git push. Okay, let's copy this, paste. Alright, so our change has been pushed to this branch. And now let's switch to our branch, the new future. Git, let's type again git branch, I forgot the name. Git checkout, new future. Okay. So in this case, this is the main point of the video. So at this point, we have to rebase our branch with the master. But before that, let me just quickly add some changes here as well. Oops, not here. I don't know what we can add. Let's add another function. Okay, def new future. And that is our change that we made for this file. Alright, so since we are not using this, okay, let's delete that one as well. So that's it, git status. Alright, now let's commit our change for this branch as well. Git add, git commit. Let's write some message, added new future. Git log. So now we have our commit appeared in the git log. So time to create a new pull request from the another new future branch. So we'll create a new pull request from the another new future branch. Let's do it. Okay, so compare and pull request. Able to merge. I will not leave any comments, just create a new pull request. And merge pull request. Okay, confirm merge. Alright, so we just merged our another new future branch with master, with main branch actually. So this is the main point of so this is the point where you have to rebase your branch with the master. So instead of merging with the master, you can do like that. First, you have to check out to the main branch or master branch. In this case, I'm using the main branch. So git checkout main. Your branch is up to date with origin main. Okay. So then I will use git pull to pull the latest change from the remote branch, remote main branch. Okay, git pull. And that's it. So this function implemented by our colleague, not from us. And so since we also have to merge our branch with master, then we have to include these changes in our branch as well. So there are two options. We can merge or we can rebase. So since we are talking about rebase in this video, we will use git rebase main to put our commits at the top of the main branch, and that will automatically apply the main change in the main branch to our branch. Let me show you just to make things clear. So currently we are in our in the main branch. Okay, so we have to check out the near future branch. Git check out near future. Switch to branch near future. Okay. So as you see, the function disappeared from here because we are not rebased our branch yet. And so now let's type git rebase main. So git rebase and the branch that we want to rebase with. So in this case, the main branch. Okay, so let's click the enter, and that's it. As you see, successfully rebased and updated. That applied all the changes. If I can able to show you. Alright, so and that's it. Another new function is here. The near future function is here as well. And if we type git log, we will see that this merge pull request that we did from GitHub interface, and that's our new new commit that we did from the current branch. Okay, and let's go down there. You will see that our colleague's commit remains here as well. So it makes the tracking easier, which means if you want to track the development flow of the project, you will see that okay, my colleague did some commits and merged with the master, and then I just rebased it and added my commits at the very top of the master branch, and now it's ready to merge with master as well without any conflicts. Even there are no any conflicts, as you saw in this in the current example, if your project include tests, and if your colleague did some change and you forgot to rebase it, and in GitHub sometimes, let's say your colleague works on different files and you also worked in other files that is not interrelated with each other, and it's able to merge naturally, but at some point you can impact some parts of the code base which will end up the failure of some tests. So that's why it's always better to rebase your branch before merging with master. Okay, so let's end up this video by summarizing everything that we did. So what's the main difference from the rebase and merge is that rebase behaves like merge, but it's not generating an extra commit for that. But the merge is actually merging two branches and creates commit for that. It's good when you are making a pull request to merge your branch with master. But if you want to make your development branch, or let's say your future branch, up to date with master branch, then you can use rebase to put your current commits in your future branch at the very top of the master branch. Okay, that will apply all changes from the master to your branch without making any extra merge commits, like we did here. Alright, so that was all for this video. I hope you understand the flow, and I hope you will use it when you are working with your colleagues. And so thank you for watching. Please subscribe to support the channel, and that's it for this video. See you around.